Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Robert, the Daily Trader. It is March 20th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is up $3.12, 1.73%, closed at 183.25. Post-market, we are down by 20 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So Tesla is rebounding nicely on 178.40. Last Friday, we came down and yes, we bounced during the day, but now this is a bounce for that day. The candle itself, the whole candle bounced on it. And this is pretty perfect. Look at how close it is to 178.40. We have a low at 176.35. We are a couple of bucks up, a buck and a half. And in terms of the high, 186.44, and our resistance is at 187.41. So that's pretty good. The stock is really behaving according to our lines. We just love it like this. Let's take a look at the 1-hour chart. So on the 1-hour chart, we had lost stochastic over 60 on Friday. We lost it. So then it was only a matter of the support to maintain that congestion zone right here. But lo and behold, yes, we went a little bit lower during the first hour of the day. So this was scary a little bit if you looked at it. If you did not look at it, it's not scary. Then boom, nice big green candle first hour, nice volume also, 800,000 shares exchanged. And then we just pulled back a little bit and maintained ourselves quite well. Still stochastic over 60. So this is a decent bounce. This is a decent bounce when we have stochastic over 60 and also above a support. This is decent. This is decent. Let's go back on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, let's look at our indicators. Stochastic at 40, almost 41. So stochastic is maintaining itself very well right here. I like to see this. MACD is, we still have one line above 0 and the other under 0, but it's stabilizing. It's staying flat, and the stock is staying flat. So everything is in sync. RSI is also good, shy of 50. And DMI is decreasing a little bit, but DMI is close to crossing over. So we might have to wait for a few more days and let's see if we break this or if we break this or if we break this. We have the easy job. We just have to wait. We don't have to speculate. Is it going to break this? Is it going to break that? I don't know. Nobody knows. Some people might say yes, it's going to break 187 for sure. And other people might say, oh, no, it's going to break 178.40 for sure. Nobody knows, but half of these people will be right. So let's just wait. And when we see a trigger, we just on the trigger. Easy as pie. Let's take a look at VIX. So VIX is making a higher low and a higher high, even though we have a red candle. So overall, we are down a little bit, but the candle went super high, super fast. This is not looking super good, I have to say that. Dow Jones still in the downward channel and into a congestion zone. It is on the upper part of the congestion zone, we have to say this, and we see a little bit of an increase in stochastic. So maybe this will translate into a cross at some point of 32,244. We'll see. NASDAQ is bouncing and stabilizing. So NASDAQ is doing a little bit better. No, sorry. S&P 500 is still into its downward channel, bouncing on support. And now it's stabilizing a little. NASDAQ is pretty good at 52, close to our 60. It's possible that we could be getting something like this, which would help the whole market. NASDAQ right smack on its downward resistance. It broke it again, did not break it Friday, broke it Thursday. So it's having a little bit of a tough time here. I would wait for 11,834 just to be sure that things are moving. It already has to stick. This one does not need a lot to start moving again. I mentioned during my live yesterday that we were going to take a look at gold, silver, and Bitcoin because of the recession that we could be having based on what some people are saying. I thought we could take a look at gold just for fun. So I'm choosing Sprott Physical Gold Trust, which is something you can buy. I'm not affiliated with them, but you can buy actual pieces of gold bars instead of buying paper gold. This is really physical gold that you are buying. We had a nice move in November with stochastic. Stochastic is there, then you can see a move. Then we made a low. It's perfectly fine. That allowed us to do this big bullish channel. And now we are bouncing nicely and strongly right here. So maybe it's not the time to enter because you're close to the resistance. So it's riskier here. So maybe we should wait to let it cool down. But it's interesting to see that gold is really into a bullish trend. Silver also pretty much the same thing here, went up and now it's bouncing. This one is a little bit easier to enter because we are basically halfway within the channel. So there's still room for a profit right here before we could cave in. It could go like this, but nobody knows. But if you want to be safe, there's at least this part that you can take if you want to. And Bitcoin has been into a standstill since June of 2022. So almost a year standstill, not doing much, around 20,000 bucks. But now, boom, last week started to go high with a good stochastic. Bitcoin has now launched and it has already made a higher low right here from this low here. So we already have the channel that is in. So we could be expecting something like this, but Bitcoin is also bullish. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you a la